And arresting someone has become a joke to the police here. Every day I'm seeing these cases. 5 laksha on the investigating officer. If I don't impose, you just see this. This has become terrible. Notice, when notice court but 27th, Bunny and Tanmal, how did you take him into custody?
Notice could not
Who
have
is this man who was taken?
Brazenly illegal arrest on part of the Whitefield police.
Illegal arrest?
Yes, ma'am. Please see page 19.
Hmm.
These are 35-3 notice. I'm picked up from the house early in the morning, taken to
ಇದನ್ನ
the
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ
Whitefield
move
police,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
taken to Whitefield police station. This 35-3 notice served on me there. And in this notice, it is said, present yourself on 27th. Today, my lord, I have been remanded. Now I'm at the magistrate's court. This is a civil dispute between two families. The only allegation against me is I'm a signatory to a will which the informant claims is a forged will. For 16 years, there's a civil litigation
338
pending.
ಇದೆ. 338 is 10
ಏನಾರು
years.
ಇರ್ಲಿ.
Three-
27th appear again, but how did you take him into custody? What nonsense is
Notice could
happening
not have
here?
given. Notice could not have given.
Notice, when notice court but 27th, Bunny and Tanmal, how did you take him into custody?
Notice could not
Who
have
is
given.
this man who was taken?
Keep him present.
Suresh,
Keep him present.
Yes.
A2.
The petitioner is before the court calling in question the illegal arrest of the petitioner. As this court is repeatedly observing, the citizens are arrested without rhyme or reason. The case forms a classic illustration of such illegal arrest. The petitioner was served with a notice under section 35(3). Once notice is served under section 35(3), the arrest could come about only if the noticee does not cooperate with the investigation. Notwithstanding the same, the petitioner cooperate with the same. The notice issued to the petitioner admittedly directed the petitioner to appear before the police for the purpose of investigation on 27/8/2026, which date is yet to come, but the petitioner is taken into custody, which act is on the face of it illegal. The investigating officer thus shall be present before the court on Thursday at 2:30 PM to answer as to why exemplary cost should not be imposed upon him. Exemplary cost should be imposed upon him for an act which is done completely contrary to law, taking the liberty of citizens for granted in this fashion. The petitioner on the said score shall be released forthwith by the prison authorities. The registrar is directed to communicate this order. He's in police custody.
He's in magistrate court right now, not
The petitioner is arrested or what?
arrested in the morning. After that 35-3, now taken Metro Lidru. Now I think they have reached magistrate.
Anyway, the petitioner, if arrested, shall be released forthwith, and if not taken into custody, shall not be taken into custody till the next date. But if he is not taken into custody, then we will not.
Arrested, remanded. Now the magistrate
then
has
yes.
passed it over because his
The,
lordships are here.
one nimisha. The learned counsel submits that the petitioner is arrested and now remanded to judicial custody.
Alla, the
Police
remand-
custody.
Remand is still postponed because your lordships are hearing. He's
No
arrested and
problem.
produced.
The
Produced
learned
before
counsel submits that the police, the petitioner is arrested and the proceedings are now going on before the court of the learned magistrate with regard to remanding to judicial custody or otherwise. Be that as it may, if the petitioner has been taken into custody by this illegal act of the investigating officer as observed here in above, the matter would be viewed seriously. The petitioner shall be released forthwith from custody.
that. Hand delivery.
Kodi, yes. This case, 5 laksha on the investigating officer, if I don't impose, you just see this. This has become terrible. Every day this has become a problem.
There was no.
Police are thinking they can do anything.
There was no need to issue.
So
notice.
when you
Once
issue a notice to ask him to come on 27th,
Should
how
not
do you
have
pick him up on 25th?
Should not have taken.
Then,
Should not have taken.
and arresting someone has become a joke to the police here. Every day I'm seeing these cases. This case I will definitely mulct him. Yes,
But the registry may be directed.
I
to court.
said it, yes.
Reporting settlement, seal number 6, Kirti Reddy.
Settlement.
Well, this is not reporting settlement, it's a fresh matter, my lords. The petitioners herein, as I mentioned in the morning, saying the matter has been settled by virtue of a MOU. My lords, the
Correct,
petition, yes. The petitioners are the employees of a.
You moved the matter.
Please.
Oh.
The petitioners are the employees of a society, educational society, my lords. They enter into agreement in 2017 with the third party. And the third party and the society had several lists between them. And in 2025 December, my lords, they enter into MOU, page number 89 of my petition, my lords. It starts from 82, the relevant portion is in 89, wherein both the societies and the trust are agreed to withdraw all the proceedings.
Bar on future claims.
Please, my lords.
Ah,
And also they have agreed to withdraw all the proceedings. This is the only, the CC number is mentioned in page number 88.
this CC number,
Please, my lords.
page?
88. 11155 of 2020.
ಓ, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಧ್ಯ?
Please, my lord. Everything is being closed
The
except for this.
Petitioner is before the court calling in question continuance of proceeding in CC 11155 of 2023 on the ground that the matter has been settled between the parties and the settlement would record all the proceedings to be withdrawn. Notwithstanding the same, the only proceeding that is pending is the subject proceeding. The agreement arrived at between the petitioner and the complainant reads as follows, page 87, 88. CC ಯಾವ್ದು madam ಇದು?
11155 of 2020.
The last of the proceeding in the said agreement is CC 11155 of 2023. Therefore, in the light of the said settlement arrived at between the parties, there shall be an interim order of stay.
My lords, they have not sought for stay, my lords.
Then notice ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Well, anyway, the other proceedings have been closed, my lords. This is
Where are
only
the closing of the other proceedings?
Everything is civil, my lords. This is the only criminal proceeding.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು ತೋರಿಸಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಈ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Please, my lords.
ಒಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
I'll produce it on,
I'll post it on 27th fresh matters. You produce that document, we'll close this also.
please.
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಯಾರು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ?
Well, this is the page number, my lords, page number 48. It's a trust. The signatory of the trust has signed the MOU.
ಅವರು ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ ಕೊಡಿ, I will close this.
Please.
List on 27th in the fresh matters.